Good afternoon, human units. Martin here from Soul Trail. So I'm on my way up to Galtymore. I'm with two of the guys. What we're doing is we're camping up here tonight. So it's lovely at the moment, a bit cold, but once we're moving we're okay. What we're going to do is we're going to camp in tight against the Galtee wall. The Galtee wall is a 5-kilometer wall that stretches along the Galtees. So it's a westerly wind, so that's going to work perfectly in our favour. So we'll tuck ourselves in against the wall, so we'll be protected from the wind tonight. So yeah, that's perfect. So we'll get up there. We're expecting a bit of rain through the night, but once we're set up, we're absolutely fine. So we're going to get up for the dawn and see how we get on. But yeah, another day out in the hills. My plan was to go to Carrauntoohil and camp on top of Carrauntoohil this weekend, but the weather down in Kerry is not that good. It's I've been following it all week. I think the more inland you go, the better, but at the moment down in Kerry it's pretty bad. So and they're expecting a few thunderstorms as well. So look, I've done Carrauntoohil so many times, I want to go there and nearly be guaranteed I can get to the top of it and camp at the top. So yeah, we'll get up here anyway and get set up, get some food into us. Should be fun. Yeah. Not sure if you can see it. Right there, landing in front of us, a rainbow. Very cool. It's windy today. It's lovely though. It's gonna get windy tonight, but we're camping at the Galtee wall, so we're going to be fairly protected. I talked about these before in another video. These are called slugras. If you ever come across them, you'll see random fenced in areas on some mountains, and you're probably sometimes wondering what the hell they are, but they are called slugras. And what they do is the farmer puts fencing around them to protect them because the sheep go down deep into them. And there was a story from the Galtees here where there was a guy, he fell into one of them, called to a local farm, and when he got there, his hiking poles and a carcass of a dead sheep saved him because he ended up standing on that. So if you ever see them, avoid them. It's not just walking through water, like that's the same as quicksand. So they're called slugras, so keep an eye out for them. Okay, we'll keep going. We found our water source for tonight. Yeah. Job. For dinner tonight, posh pork beans. Nice. is crazy. We're set up behind the wall, which is amazing, so we're just going up to the top of Galtymore here before a lot of rain is coming in. So it's all about get behind a rock with this wind. Unbelievably windy. But we're kind of blessed behind the wall, the Galtee wall. We really are. But yeah, there's a good bit of wind coming in and a good bit of rain tonight, but yeah. Tuck up in my tent now, in my sleeping bag, and watch a movie is what I'm gonna do. Right, we're going down to have a beer. Yeah.
Yeah, we should actually do that.
Is it?
What is it?
The most inappropriate music to this. Oh, it's cold. Ugh. It's 2 degrees out. It's a wind chill of around 0 degrees. So it's cold. So into the bed now, he thinks. Bit stormy. Okay, time for some sleep. See you in the morning. This weather is nuts. It's 5 in the morning. This wind is crazy. Morning. Crazy night. Suit up. Got up early for the sunrise, but no way. Gonna be no sunrise. Not in this weather anyway, so should try cooking the vestibule now here, I think. And get ready to go. These don't work well in cold, so you need to kind of heat them up a bit under a jacket. Now that's a rainbow. Wow. Oh, back at the car park. That was one crazy night. I was so delighted with my sleeping system, my new tent, and I'm going to do gear reviews and all them, but wow. Incredible night. That's the stormiest weather I've ever camped in, but it's pretty cool. So anyway, come here. Thanks very much for watching, and please subscribe. It's free to do and it really helps out the channel. So yeah, until next time, stay safe out there and stay safe out in the mountain.